Do you want to try to use your fork? Do you want to try it? Hold it in your hand. Uh-huh. And then put some carrots on it. Here. Stop. Got some carrot. Now put it in your mouth. Put it in your mouth. Take it to your mouth. Ready? That's hard, huh? Good job. Good job, Gus. You want to try another one? And put your carrot on your fork. Here. Put that on your fork. Put it on there. Good job. Now take it to your mouth. Put it to your mouth. See, look. Put it to your mouth. Did it fall off? Here, put it right here. Put it right here. Here. Ready? Ready? Oh, we missed. We missed.